asuntoskeittiökaaren kettu.
Yes, the date is the 21st of July 2021. What was the address?
Löydöspolku 2.
Löydöspolku 2 staircase C. But in this residential building the codes are different. So we have to go to the staircases A, B, D and E later. So you cannot go there immediately. We have to go to other staircase buildings first. West is 4 persons or 325 grams, and this sounds like early 70s to me. It probably is. Let's see. When this was built? It has 6 floors. The occupied light and been 8 completely. And this was built in 1978. No, 76 actually. Turning 45 years old this year in 2021. The serial number is H33545. They have refurbished the interior, but it's still original. It's going to be inspected in 2023. That's right. But I think this is early 1976.
Yeah.
Because the machine sounds very much like the early 1970s stuff.
Yeah.
That's why I thought this was early 1970s, but it's mid 70s.
Yeah.
I like the smell in here.
Same.
This smells like a little bit in, I don't know why, but it smells like in the St. Petersburg metro.
Oh.
A little bit. In the escalators, like.
Yeah.
It's the same smell as in there, I don't know why. Strange. But we're in Finland. We're in Myyrmäki.
Ska tippa elektriinstot. Mä en tee pasilla.
I think I'll take a second back because... Okay, or maybe not.
Because you have to say battery.
And memory, but I have memory, but battery mostly.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's